Animal kinship. Across many cultures and throughout history, people have recognized a meaningful connection between humans and animals. This idea is based on the belief that animals have unique qualities and strengths, and that forming a bond with them can help individuals access these attributes. In witchcraft and spiritual practices, this relationship is often explored through the concept of animal totems or spirit animals. An animal totem, sometimes called a power animal, is considered more than a symbol. It is viewed as a spiritual guide or emblem, sometimes passed down within families or communities. Choosing an animal as a totem is not simply about selecting a favorite creature, it is seen as inviting the essence and energy of that animal into one's life. This connection is thought to encourage harmony with the animal's strengths, allowing individuals to draw on its wisdom, resilience, and power. Animal totems may become apparent in different ways. They might appear in dreams, during meditation, or as recurring symbols or encounters in daily life. Many practitioners interpret repeated appearances of a particular animal as a sign that the animal is offering guidance or support. These encounters are often associated with gifts such as healing, abundance, courage, or protection. In Native American traditions, the relationship with animal totems holds particular significance. Aligning one's consciousness with that of an animal is believed to open communication in what is called the way of power. This communication is typically intuitive and spiritual, rather than verbal, and is thought to provide guidance, insight, and strength from the animal ally. The way of power is considered especially meaningful because it goes beyond ordinary understanding. This deep spiritual connection can influence thoughts, emotions, and actions. Through this bond, the totem animal is seen as a spiritual ally, offering support and guidance through life's challenges and opportunities. For example, someone seeking greater independence or self-reliance might feel drawn to the cat as a totem. Cats are often linked with autonomy, curiosity, and adaptability. Working with the energy of the cat may help cultivate these qualities. In situations that require quick decision-making or action, the horse is sometimes chosen as a totem, as horses symbolize freedom, strength, and the ability to move forward with confidence. Building a connection with a power animal is generally considered a personal and meaningful process. Meditation is one common approach. This practice can help quiet the mind, focus intentions, and open the way to spiritual experiences. A quiet and comfortable space, whether a dedicated meditation area, a peaceful corner at home, or a spot in nature, may be helpful for this process. Before beginning, it can be useful to dim the lights and remove distractions such as televisions, radios, or mobile devices. Creating a calm environment may make it easier to enter a meditative state. Some people choose to light a candle, burn incense, or arrange crystals and other meaningful objects to enhance the atmosphere and set an intention. Sitting comfortably, either in a chair with feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion, is often recommended. Relaxing the body, starting at the top of the head and moving downward, can help signal that it is time to relax. Gently tilting the head forward, backward, and side to side, while taking deep breaths, may help release tension. This relaxation process can continue through the neck, shoulders, chest, back, arms, and abdomen, with deep breaths for each area. Allowing tension to melt away and focusing on each part of the body may be helpful. Moving down through the thighs, knees, ankles, feet, and toes, and consciously releasing any lingering tension, can further support relaxation. As the body relaxes, attention can be turned to the breath. Breathing slowly and evenly may help the mind become calm and centered. If distracting thoughts arise, acknowledging them and returning focus to the breath can support entry into a meditative state where spiritual experiences are more accessible. When ready, it is possible to silently ask for a power animal to reveal itself. This request can be made as a thought or a quiet whisper. The animal may appear as a vivid image, a fleeting impression, or even as a feeling or presence. Trusting intuition and allowing the experience to unfold naturally is often encouraged. Once a power animal comes into focus, taking a moment to connect with it on a mental and spiritual level can be meaningful. Observing its appearance, behavior, and the feelings it evokes may offer insight. Some choose to ask the animal for guidance, support, or to share its unique qualities. This interaction is personal and can be repeated whenever a sense of connection or insight is desired. When the experience feels complete, expressing gratitude to the power animal for its presence and assistance is common. Returning awareness to the surroundings, taking a few deep breaths, and moving the body slowly can help transition back to full consciousness. Recording the experience in a journal, including any insights, symbols, or messages, may be helpful for reflection. Working with animal totems is often described as a journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Each encounter can provide opportunities to learn more about oneself and the natural world. As the witchcraft journey continues, remaining open to new experiences and trusting in the wisdom of spiritual allies may be beneficial.